Inca Vivekananda Vidyalaya Junior College. I am given this opportunity to speak few words on the theme technology and toys using eco-friendly materials. I have chosen bird feeder in order to conserve the bird species from extinction by certain human activities. Due to rapid urbanization and high level of pollution, we can see a rapid decline in sparrows. Hence, in order to conserve the bird species, especially sparrows, we keep bird feeders in and around our locality, which should help us to maintain the balance of our ecosystem and preserve the continuity of the food chain. Through the bird feeder, we provide a reliable source of food to the birds year-round. The mechanism behind the bird feeder is conditioned learning of consuming its food. The word conditioned here owes its significance in the way, meaning mode of feeding the birds in a particular time and place. The bird feeder secures and stores ample source of food to the birds to keep them well fed and thriving. It protects the species from extinction. Food resources across the migration route help the bird to regain their energy and complete the migration process successfully. According to recent studies, the survival rate of birds are up to 40% higher in the areas where bird feeders are installed. The bird feeder is a device or an apparatus for supplying food to the birds. As seed-eating birds help the plants to spread and thrive, it hence helps the food chain. The birds find newly filled feeders using their excellent eyesight and express a fabulous feed hunt. They constantly search for food and investigate novelty across their territory. Once they find a feeder filled with seeds, they keep going back to see if it is refilled by conditioned reflex. Now, I am going to say the procedures how to make a bird feeder. Take a cardboard lengthwise. Cut the cardboard at the bottom with designs of windows and hole. Now, fold the cardboard. Paste sellotape on it. Place it on a areca nut plate. Take another cardboard and make it into a cone-shaped structure and fix it inside. Take another plate and fix it on it. Make a hole on the plate. And tie a thread. things to the bird feeder. Add some artificial sparrows so that the natural sparrows could be attracted. Now our bird feeder is ready. Through the bird feeder, we indirectly conserve our ecosystem, preserve the biodiversity, and we conserve the sparrow species from the verge of extinction. Become like a bird, expand your wings, learn new things and fly high as you can. Save birds, save ecosystem. Thank you.